Hello and welcome to another video taking a look at rearranging. Here we have an example of a C1 question where this skill of being able to rearrange things is really important. Now this is an example question that you might see on a C1 paper about asking you to find the equation of the normal to the tangent of the curve x equals 2. Now the normal is just the line that is perpendicular to the tangent of a curve. Now we're not too fussed about this part at the moment. This is just kind of putting it in context. This is something that you'll be asked to do. The bit that we're focusing on is this bit here, right in the form ax plus by plus c, where a, b and c are integers. So say that we've worked our way through this question and we've got an equation for this straight line. The normal will always be a straight line. And we've got an equation of a straight line in the form, at the moment, y equals mx plus c. Hopefully you'll recognise that from GCSE. So this bit here is our gradient, this bit here is just what would be our y-intercept. Now, it's asked us to write it in the form ax plus by plus c, where a, b and c are integers. So integers just means whole number. At the moment we've got a couple of fractions and we haven't got it equal to 0. So the first thing that we're going to do is we need to try and get rid of these fractions. So the way in which I'm going to do that is I'm simply going to multiply the whole of this equation by 6. By multiplying it by 6, I will get rid of the divide by 3 and get rid of the divide by 2. All I'm doing is I'm multiplying by the lowest common multiple. So multiplying by 6 leaves me with 6y equals 12 over 3 x minus 6 over 2. So let's just rewrite those. Well, 12 over 3 is the same as 4 x minus 6 over 2, which is 3. So now I've got 6y equals 4x minus 3. I've dealt with this part of that final sentence there. I've made them all integers. However, I still need to put it in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. So what I'm going to do here is I'm simply going to take away this 6y, which will leave me with nothing over here. So 0 equals 4x minus 6y minus 3. And so if we were asked to give the values of a, b and c, what we would say is that a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to minus 3. So in this question would be worth, say, about 4 marks, and this getting to this point here, assuming it was correct, would get you 3, and then for the fourth one, the fourth one comes from rearranging. So as I said in earlier videos, the rearranging is not going to come up as a standalone question. However, you are going to be required to be able to use this skill to give your answers in the appropriate format that's required.